Tired of projects spiraling out of control? Believe it or not, Squarespace isn't just for websites. You can use it to create a surprisingly effective project management system. First, log into your Squarespace account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Navigate to the Pages section of your Squarespace dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click the plus icon to add a new page and select a blank page layout. Name it something relevant like Project Management or the specific name of your project. Now, add a table block to your new page. This is where you'll track your tasks. Customize the table with columns like task name, due date, assignee, status, and notes. Populate the table with your project's tasks. Be specific with the task name and set clear due dates. Assign each task to a team member. In the status column, use drop-down menus or text fields to indicate the progress of each task. This can be to do, in progress, complete, or whatever suits your workflow. To enable team collaboration, use Squarespace's built-in commenting feature on the page. Team members can add comments to specific tasks to discuss progress, ask questions, or share updates. Add a calendar block below the table block to visualize your project timeline. Connected to the due date column in your table for automatic updates. Now you have a visual overview of all deadlines in one place. Include a text block for general project notes, meeting summaries, or important links. This keeps everything relevant organized in one place. And there you have it, a simple yet effective project management system built right within Squarespace. Now you can conquer those projects with ease.